everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm on my way to run to Walmart and I have a grocery list. So welcome to my grocery haul. I need to get going. We're just starting to put out some of the stuff. Looks so pretty. Good job, Isaiah. All right, so we're just heading into Walmart, but it's a beautiful, like 60 degrees right now. It's kind of nice. So I have a very specific list, and I'm already getting things I really shouldn't. So for the front yard, you saw that Christmas tree. It needs some presents under there, don't you think? So we're gonna get some. So I'll show you that in a little bit. So that's what happens when I bring little boys. They want to dance. Yeah, you do Fortnite dances. Oh, go Ezzy, go Ezzy. Just got home and look, I have a little treat. Oh, I can't wait to see it. Here is our little treat basket, a whole lot closer, and I can't wait. This friend of ours, Stephanie, she makes like the best bread. I'm sure her cookies are delicious too. But she really should do a YouTube channel just on her bread making skills because I am so impressed. And I can't wait to eat. So it's a little bit later for me to be grocery shopping. I'm not one who likes to go when it's so dark outside. Let me know in the comments if you're a late shopper. I don't do it too often. I like it to be bright out. But I'm going to show you what I got. And pretty much it's like nothing that will feed my family for more than like 2 days. But that's okay because I have things to do, like some baking that's coming up. And you'll be seeing that coming up in a couple of future videos, but I had to get some things. Also, I need to start off by saying I dropped 18 eggs on the way in. So I have salvaged 6 of them. So I will take the other ones and I think I'm gonna try to scramble them and make egg burritos. We'll see. All right, so let's get started. I wanna start off with the Sprite Zero and the coconut creamer because it's a good mix to adding to some sodas, and I got some different kinds, but I wanted to start with this first because my son wants to make a drink. There you go, Isaiah. All right.
Say thank you.
I got 3 butters, 3 2-packs. So we have lots of butter only because we are going to be making some cookies. And I got 2 of these big sour creams. These go pretty fast in our home with making some different casseroles, and like I just made a yummy casserole. I think I have a video about it. Just the tater tot casserole. I'm pretty sure I have a video. I'll link it below. And also I use this for a recipe with my sugar cookies that actually belongs to my mother-in-law. So we're gonna be making a lot of sugar cookies and passing them out to neighbors and friends. I decided that that's what I was going to do now. And I got some bread, Grandma Sycamore's, and I got the honey wheat. So that's a good change up, right? I bought some turkey and some sliced cheddar to make sandwiches with. Some boys just like this and some boys just like that. I like them both together with a little bit of lettuce and tomato and mayo. And I got some different sugars. So I got this regular sugar and I got 3 packs of powdered sugar, all to go for the sugar recipes, sugar cookie recipes. I got some cream cheese, a double pack. Just because I have a crock pot recipe, I'll be making that chicken and stuffing in the crock pot. It's super good and it needs a cream cheese, I believe. And some medium cheddar. This is my favorite cheddar. It's not sharp, it's not mild, but it's got a good taste to it. Let me know what your favorite cheese is in the comments below. I also got, 6 of these. I'm still juicing, and so today we missed today because I needed to go to the grocery store. So 6 of these will last us 3 days, and I'm still having less headaches, so that's a good thing. I got 2 frozen pizzas, one with cheese and one with pepperoni. I don't normally get this one. It was like $2.78, so I thought for the boys, might as well try for a snack. If they don't like it, then we just won't buy it again, right? I also got some pretzels for lunches. We got some tortilla chips for snacking, and I like that it says lightly salted. I really do like Walmart's name brand, the Great Value. I really like them. It's one of my favorite knockoff brands, or so to say. It's very comparable, right? And potatoes. I'm having some ideas with making some shredded pork on potatoes this week. And a little known tidbit about me, I love chewing gum, but not sugar-free gum. I know it's so bad, but I just chew gum. And I'll usually be upstairs, usually giving lessons or working on the computer, and I'll just have one. Ezra will have one. We'll spit it out in a couple minutes and be done. Okay. I've confessed. I love gum. So I got some more sodas. We have Diet Coke and Diet Dr. Pepper or DDP. This one, if I'm going to drink something, it's going to be a little bit of this. But everybody loves this and the Sprite. So what's your favorite? I tend to kind of go towards things that aren't sticky. My mother-in-law used to say, we don't drink our calories. And we kind of abide by that. We don't drink them. Case in point, I have Crystal Light. So that's a good flavor if you need a good one. That's called Strawberry Orange Banana. It's really good. I also have some cranberries. So I got the whole cranberry sauce, not the one that's like the jelly, because I have a recipe coming up, so stay tuned. But I can't wait to use them. I also have some waffles. I just got the Great Value brand. It was like $1 cheaper. And then looking back, I'm like, should have done a lot more dollar off ones, right, on my groceries, because it was kind of pricey. Not too pricey, I guess. It was Walmart. I got 12 yogurts. We had company over for the weekend, and I had these out, and my boys loved them. So I thought I'd get another pack. We have still a few more from the other one, but this will last a good week. As he's almost out of these, he loves having these with his lunch. So that, and we take him to church. He loves them. Okay, I'm getting near the end of my haul. It's kind of like the pre-Christmas baking haul. I got some carrots because that goes with Christmas cooking. It's just going to be for some soups and some casseroles. They're very easy to just add. This time of year, too, it gets to be like a little too cold, I think, where I can't find everything or they get picked over pretty quickly. So I love getting frozen veggies in the winter time. Summer, I just get the fresh ones. I got some stuffing mix. I told you I'm going to make that recipe. I got some big Oreos. Oh, you got double stuffed. Okay. I let Isaiah pick them. Those are going to be for school lunches. I got some more of this. This is our body wash. We tend to use the baby stuff. So it doesn't have any of those nitrates and the parabens, or, it's got like all the good stuff, paraben-free stuff. And so we just use this because, especially the Walmart brand is cost effective. And my thought is, if it's good for baby, then it's always going to be good for us. So I got some English muffins. One of our things when I drive Paul to work is we stop and we'll get an English muffin from McDonald's from time to time. So I thought I would just make them in the mornings for everybody. This might last a couple days. And here's the sausage. So we like eating those. I just like eating them with eggs in the morning for breakfast. And I got some bananas, and I think that's it. Oh, behind me, some toilet paper and that flour. That's kind of a more, the next level up if you're gonna buy flour, not like regular flour or store brand flour, but it's kind of a non-GMO type flour. And I really, really like it. So I think that's what I made my bread in my bread video. I made it out of that flour, so it's good stuff. So all of this cost about $180, and I still have more grocery shopping to do, I think. Back here, I have some projects going on. with my classroom. So I wanted to tell everybody that I was going to do a live on Saturday around 2 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and I'll just show you around my classroom and kind of just, you can ask them questions about what I do for a living, and I'll just kind of show you around. So I'd love to have you there if you are not busy on Saturday afternoon. So come visit with me. So I'm so grateful for all of you, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Have a good evening.